Solid advice you need for higher quality affiliate marketing. If you want to use your website to earn more money, you may want to try using affiliate marketing. That said, there is imperative information you must learn in order for your affiliation to be successful. The following video will show you some tips that successful affiliate marketers have used. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. These tips have hopefully provided you with timely and helpful affiliate marketing advice. Stay tied into the latest news on affiliate marketing techniques as they evolve, and keep fine-tuning your approach. Have affiliate marketing supplement the other income you already receive from your website's offerings. Just remember that it takes time to make money online. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.